Smoke detector test. So I'm gonna test it with thumbs to make sure the sounds are working. Anyway, I'm just checking the inspiration there. Here we go. Okay, this was working. I did clean it up. There you go. Now there's one. It's not expired yet. Here we go. Here we go. This one already. This one's expired because this is the oldest smoke detector. But let's test it anyway and see if it's still working. Yep, it's still working. Oops, I smacked the smoke detector accidentally. Alright, time to test this crappy USA smoke detector. Here's another 5 century smoke detector. It is expired, I think, but I don't know anyway. Let's test it. Is it still working? Fine. Alright guys, that's it for the smoke detector test. So, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more, and bye.